You felt it before, that spark, that pull to something greater. That's where it starts. But a spark isn't enough. Torah demands more. It demands depth. It demands integrity. It demands a ratzon to grow. In Yeshivas Bircas HaTorah, we take that spark and turn it into fire.
Here at Bircas HaTorah, there's no passive learning. It's not explanation, it's exploration. It's not a canned shiur. I don't have it all written out. I don't really know where it's going to go. It's something that's happening live. It's dynamic, it's exciting, and it is a tremendous amount of fun.
Because Torah isn't just abstract, it's real. It shapes your thinking, your actions, and all your relationships. It's not just about how you learn, it's about how you live.
Your environment matters. At Bircas, you will find a balance with comfortable dorms, great food, and a lot of space to grow. It's fantastic. I love it here.
The Yeshiva Shabbatonim are mamish incredible. The davening, the ruach, the singing, the achdus, it's mamish a fire.
And growth isn't just in the base medrash. Whether sports, tiulim, hanging out with friends.
We've gone scuba diving, rappelling, stargazing, camping, you name it, we've done it all.
Bircas HaTorah provides a lot of healthy outlets that have really helped push us to have an energy and desire to learn.
In Bircas, you're never just a face in the crowd. There are rebbeim and there are Yeshiva that'll invest in you, and you'll have friends that'll help you grow to your fullest potential.
So ask yourself, are you ready to learn like you've never learned before? To grow beyond what you thought was possible? And to live the Torah and not just learn it? Step in and step up.